Okay, so let's talk about the N in mind. The N stands for nerves. When I look at all these beautiful trees and these different lily pads, etc., I think of all the different nerves that are in our brain. So we have many, many, many different kind of nerves, and the nerves do have different actions. So some are what are called excitatory, meaning that when they send a message to a nerve, it kind of turns that nerve on or makes that nerve work better. Some are more negative, meaning that they turn that nerve off, so it stops a movement or it helps to control the finesse of a movement. So when we think of all of our nerves in our brain, we need to know that there's so many different kinds. There's different chemicals that go from nerve to nerve, and there's different actions that the chemicals have. The nerves all have their own actions and kind of reactions to different nerves. So this is just to say that we want to honor the amazing variability of our nerves. If you look closely, I'm going to go to these over here. You can see them pretty well, like the main branches and then the side branches and then the leaves coming off. It's very close to what our nerves do. So our nerves do have one main, if you want to say, wire coming in and some going off, one main wire going off, and then also then it connects to other nerves. So if you look at these bushes, let's say that there was a bee jumping from bush to bush or leaf to leaf. That's how the nerves work. There's our chemicals that help them connect and send a message from one to the other. And then the way the message travels down, like that stem or the trunk and the branches, is electricity. So we use electricity, and it jumps from place to place to bring the message down the nerves. So that is to also say that in order to maximize our efficiency of our nerves, we need to have good nutrition, because the nerves need all that energy, right, to work. And if we don't have a healthy nutrition coming in, the nerves cannot work optimally. So as a coach, when we're telling our coachees what to do, and not telling them what to do, but encouraging them and giving them some facts to help them move forward, we want to remind them that the organ of the brain has so many different kind of neurons. It works with electricity, and it demands many, many different nutrients because they're so active, metabolically very active. So even though the brain is only 2 to 3 pounds, it takes, my little friend, it takes 20% of our metabolic energy. So when you see your coachees working hard and never eating or drinking or sitting down having a meal or resting, that is time to reinforce the need of the neurons. Okay, so everyone, have a great day, and let's remember the importance of caring for our neurons. Okay.